Yeah, dude, he made it. Noodles, chicken,
that's a great
ramen.
cat name.
Ramen.
I don't know about ramen. What about Roman? Maybe if it was like a bald cat, Roman would be good.
Rah-rah.
Akraba. That's from Aladdin. Akraba.
Fucking kids. Woo! Fucking kids. Yeah, man, get on YouTube and check out my channel. You can see some of the stuff you missed while you were on vacation. Just bullshit. I have a video called Abby's Cookie. But it's actually about a cookie. That was Abby's. I got one of Danielle fucking being ridiculous. Like shaking her titties. It's like, what do you want me to do? I'm like, shake it. And she's like, I'm like, no, not your titties, your ass. she took one of these fucking spoons that we use on taco night, and she was like this. She was like, ridiculous. Casey, Casey, do you have any animals at home now?
I have a dog and a cat, and they have the most plain names ever. And I used to have another cat that had another plain name. It was Ginger, Smokey, and we used to have Boots.
Boots?
So unoriginal. But I did used to have a lizard named Banana Freckle.
Banana Freckle? Well, okay, so what are your pets' names now?
Ginger and Smokey.
The
lizard died.
I had 6 cats that all started with the letter R.
All at one time?
Yeah. Even words that didn't begin with R, I named them R. Like Wrath.
Wrath?
Wrath, like W-R-A-T-H, but I used an R. I had Wrath, Rhino, Wretched, Ripper, and Ario. Like Speedwagon.
My friend Carrie has
I like Rhino.
Rhino.
And Ario, that's cool. I like, what's Anthony's called? D-O-G? I thought that was such a cool name.
D-O-G, yeah. I was saying that was Wrath, Rhino, Wretched, Ripper, Ario.
You gotta give him like a British name.
British name?
Milton.
Milton. Milton.
Or Oliver. Oliver.
Oliver. Oliver. Oh, the look. Yeah, you're bad.
Yeah, twist like Oliver.
I twist like Oliver.
Oliver?
Hold on to shit like I was holding ball hits.
I'm writing them all down.
Love the sandwich, Bill. Thank you so much.
Yeah. Look at her go. She's wiping away.
Clean that glass, girl.
Clean that shit. Ridiculous. We got chips. We got chips. We got chips. We got chips.
What about Basil?
Basil. 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 That's from Austin Powers.
Oh!
And on the deleted scenes, have you seen the deleted scenes? He gets all, he's all wasted. He's like, that's okay, Basil.
Basil?
Basil.
I'm looking at like the spicy.
Bosworth? You say Bosworth?
Or Farnsworth.
Bosley.
Bosley.
But have Bowie down as a name.
Bowie.
Bowie's good. But that'd be better to have like 2 different colored eyes. You know? Like David Bowie.
Well, you can always, you know, hit him in the eye with a rock. Well, it's not like the cat's gonna take a contact lens. Aww. Scrub that shit.
They still don't look clean.
They're never gonna look clean.
Maybe put them in the steamer.
In the steamer. Then they'll just be all foggy.
Yeah.
Yeah. Casey's such
I need glass cleaner.
a good sport. Yeah, put some Windex on it.
Think so?
That would probably work. Young Dizzle will bust out Young Dizzle and blow a load on your fizzle.
I'm gonna name my cat JD.
What? JD? That's right.
I'm gonna name my cat Dwyer.
Dwyer. That's fucking awesome.
I'm just kidding.
I'm just kidding. No. She's so clever. Clever. Hose down. West side.
Cheese up.
What the fuck is that? Ugh.